Today we invited 25 teachers out to participate in our teacher workshop as a part of our Science of Soccer STEM programming. They participated in a workshop where they got to learn the curriculum that they would be teaching. They got to see a behind-the-scenes tour of PNC Stadium, and they also got an awesome STEM box filled with awesome resources for their classrooms.
The Science of Soccer curriculum consists of lessons like penalty kicks, soccer field geometry, nutrition, hydration, and how STEM concepts are used on the soccer field and in the classroom.
It's a great feeling to be a part of this program because we're able to connect with the community. I think the kids coming here and seeing all the fans and seeing all the energy, I think we can feed into that, and I think it helps the schools and it helps the enrollment.
So at Burbank Middle School, we have a majority of the kids there love soccer. So I feel that with me teaching PE, that's 800 kids along with 3 teachers. They will definitely love what I've learned here, and I hope to be able to apply it to our kids.
Thank you to our partners, the Houston Dynamo FC, Houston Dash, and Dynamo Charities for helping fund this program for the teachers here in Houston.